Bless, Ross Mega G, Rasta Mesa Studios, living it up. Don't know. We record some proper music here. Watch out for the light, remember
Lord of His mercy. What is happening to me? What is happening to me? How it making me cry? How it making me sad? Making me mad? All the time I know why. Is it making me mad? How it making me sad? Mumbai, bye. Say my battery just died. Say my battery drop dead. Lord, my sister drop dead. Oh, yes, my battery drop dead. Oh, may them rest in peace. Lord, I say show love in the community. Show love. Everything that you do, show love. Whether night or day, 'cause you never know when it's a judgment day. Yes, you never know. When it's a judgment day, when it's the end of your day, when you gonna fly away onto Mount Zion. I'm a veteran gonna Mount Zion. And my sister gonna Mount Zion. I say, well, I'm gonna Mount Zion. People are about to pop and say people are about to die. Only God I know why, only God I know why. So many mamas they say, I will cry. I say, rest in peace, Lord. And my bedroom rest in peace, Lord. And my sister rest in peace, Lord. When you don't trample the beast. Ah, yes, my bedroom from Belize. Oh, my bedroom from Honduras. God, my bedroom from New York. Oh, my bedroom from La Boga. People are gonna suffer, me say people are gonna die. Only God I know why, only God I know why. Boom bye bye, I say rappa bye bye. Only God I know why, God I know why. Many are gonna suffer, many more are gonna die. Only God I know why, God I know why. Boom bye bye, I say mama go cry. I say rest in peace, woy.
Yes, sir. Bless, Rasta Mesa Massive. Bless it up.
Oh,